Welcome to this video. We're going to show you how to use the DCFM tech portal with the Scribe field document signing application. So I'll just go through a couple of the basic operations here, and hopefully this will help you get up and running as quickly as possible. On my iPad here you can see two icons. The first one is going to get me into the tech portal, the other one is for Scribe. Probably don't really need to log into Scribe by itself. It's all handled from the tech portal. So I'm just going to tap on the V2 DCFM tech portal icon there. And that will take me into a browser, and it will just take a few moments to load up everything it needs to load up. And you'll see there a user ID and password. So that's your regular DCFM user ID and password, and now that's ready to log in. You can see the fields have turned yellow and the login button is available for us there. Just notice down the bottom there's a user guide you can download. If you click on that, we'll open up a PDF document with some detailed instructions on how to use the tech portal. There's a link there to install Scribe, which will take you to an installation page if you need to do that on your iPad. And this video is available from that watch video link there. Let's go ahead and log in. So I'm just going to, it will remember your user ID and password, and but the first time you'll have to enter it, and I'll click on the login button. You can see there it's downloading from the server your current jobs, etc., etc., and it's going to load them into the diary page that we can see there. What's different about this tech portal is that this will also work offline. So if you were to move out of a coverage area or just not have reception, you would still be able to have access to this diary information. That was not possible with the version 1 of the tech portal. However, the fact that it can run offline means we have to do things a little bit differently. You may have to sync things back to the server from time to time, that kind of thing. So it's important to be aware that we are running in a slightly different mode. You'll notice down the bottom left-hand side, right at the bottom left corner, a little green indicator there saying that we're online. If you lose the communications, that will become offline there. And also going along the bottom border there, 2.6 megabits per second, that's telling me the speed of my network right now, and then the username I'm logged in as. To log out again, at the top right hand corner you'll see log out, and that will take you out of the application. On the left hand side is a menu. To give yourself more room, you can get rid of that menu. You can swipe it to the left with a swipe gesture, and then if you use a couple of fingers moving from left to right from the left hand side, you can swipe that back into view again. Also at the very top of the screen you will see where it says menu DCFM, you'll see a little button there. If I tap on that button, that will also bring back the menu for me. So that's how to get the menu. On the diary screen, I can just swipe up and down to view my different jobs, and I'm now going to go into one of these jobs, this baby bunting job here. So I will just tap onto the job detail, or hit that small arrow you can just see to the right there. So I'll just take a moment to go into the detail view. In here we can see the details of our job, the address, the site contact, the FM, and so forth. And then underneath that there's a series of buttons, and all of these buttons pertain to this particular job. What we're going to do right now is go into the documents area, and that will bring up a safety sheet for us to sign. So I'll click on the documents button. It's the third one from the top. So tap on that. It activates the Scribe application, and if there's a safety sheet available, it will bring that straight up for us, ready to sign. Now the safety sheets are bigger than the space available on the screen of the iPad, so it may not be quite big enough to write in. So what we can do here is you can use your fingers and thumb to make a pinching gesture. So I put, say, 3 fingers and my thumb onto the glass of the iPad and spread them apart. That will allow me to zoom in like that. If I bring my fingers and thumb close together again while still pressing on the glass, that brings it back to a smaller side. I can move from side to side. Okay, I'm going to expand the size of this once more. And then I take my fingers off the glass. Now at the top of the screen there you'll see a menu bar with the words cancel, write, discard all and save. I'm now going to tap on the right word there with my finger. What that has done, it's made a couple of scroll bars appear with the purple buttons. So you can now move anywhere in that document by using these scroll bars. So I'm going to start to write. Anytime now I touch the screen of the iPad, it will make a mark on that document. So I'm going to start to fill in my safety sheet. I'm just using the stylus, or in this case I'm just using my finger. And I'm going to go down and review each of these items on the sheet. I've reached near the bottom there, and if I want to look down further, what I will do is then use the scroll button to scroll down to look at the rest of the sheet. So tap onto the purple button on the vertical scroll bar and scroll down like that, and that gives me access there. I can then go back to completing my safety sheet and putting my signatures in. So you would fill this out as you normally would. When you're ready to save the document, you can see at the top of the screen now the save and lock. So if I click save lock, that saves what I've done so far, and I could move or pinch the screen again to change the sign and go back to do some more writing by clicking on write. If I've really made a mess of it and I want to get rid of everything I've done, I can click on the discard, which will discard everything since the last time I saved, or discard all to wipe everything off, and I could start over. But if I'm happy with that, I'm just going to click on save, and a little message there tells me that it's been successfully saved, so that's good. I'll click at the OK to dismiss it, and you can see in the list there the job number 381419, the safety document I've just signed, and the upload button has now turned purple. If I was out on site and didn't have internet access, I could wait till later, maybe late that night or back home, to do a bulk upload, in which case I would use the upload all button you can see at the bottom, but I can upload it right now. I'm going to click on upload, and if that's all successful, it will say it's been uploaded successfully. And that is the last I need to worry about that safety sheet. So that's really one of the benefits of the system, is we are removing the need to fill out and process paper safety sheets, and that will save everybody a lot of time. To go back to my job now, I'm going to click on the link at the top there where it says return to portal. And that takes me back to the tech portal.